Morning, sir.
Morning. Okay. We did these sums in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Actually, in the time of last class, I am in search of something. That's why I didn't explain few sums properly. Yeah, it's completed. Okay.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't think it's complete.
The equation of the circle. What is the basic formula to find the?
Oh, sir, we did this, sir.
Yeah, we
It's
did.
option 3 now, sir.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
We can find the center of the required circle by solving those two lines. That will be the center.
Brilliant. Yes, sir.
And the radius is already given.
Yes, sir.
This is also completed.
Yes, sir.
This one,
Yes, sir.
concentric. You know what do you mean by concentric?
They both have the same center, sir.
Yes, right. These are called concentric circles. Circles having same center,
Yes.
two or more. Here, two circles, the given circle and required circle have same center.
Yes.
Yes, there is something we need to discuss something about this. The centroid of course, we completed this, but we need to learn some points in this question.
Yes, sir.
What is centroid? Yeah, here take this triangle. Triangle ABC. Now, it is midpoint of side BC. This is midpoint of side BC. It is midpoint.
Yes, sir.
This midpoint is connected to its opposite vertex.
Yes.
Vertex A is connected to the midpoint of its opposite side.
Yes.
That's why this line is called median.
Yes.
And vertex B is connected to the midpoint of its opposite side AC.
Yes.
This is also median, but through B.
Yes.
That is median through A. This is median through B. Now this is median through C. Fact is, three medians are concurrent. You know what is concurrency? Concurrency means passing through same point, having same point of intersection. See, these two lines are called intersecting lines.
Yes.
If two lines have a common point, then those two lines are called intersecting lines.
Yes, sir.
If more than two lines have a common point, then those lines are called concurrent lines.
Yes.
Concurrency and intersecting both are same, but the word intersecting is used for only two lines. More than two lines, the word is concurrent or concurrency, right? Concurrency means having a common point, having
Yes.
a common point. That is the next level of intersecting.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So in any circle, in any triangle, medians are concurrent. Medians are concurrent. It is fact. Medians are concurrent. It is fact. So that point of concurrency is called centroid. That is centroid. And this centroid, see, this is centroid. Generally, G, capital G is used to denote centroid.
Yes, sir.
This is G.
Yes.
It's very clear that AG and BG
Are in the ratio. Oh, never mind.
Of course, very good. G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Excellent.
3:1. Yeah.
The centroid D divides median. Any centroid divides any median in the ratio 2:1.
Yes, sir.
Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1, right?
Yes.
Here, AG, BG, CG may not be same. AG, BG, CG may not be same. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's do another experiment. Taking a triangle, another triangle. There we drew medians. Here we are drawing angle bisectors. This is triangle ABC. It is angle vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. See, this is angle bisector. That means, for example, if angle A is 70 degrees, half of 70 degrees is
Half of 70 degrees, sir.
35 degrees.
Oh, 35.
5. Yeah.
Sorry.
For example, if angle A is 70 degrees, then
Yes.
this line bisects that angle. That means 35, 35.
Yes, sir.
So here AD is called angle bisector. Do understand that D may not be midpoint of BC.
Yes.
D may not be midpoint of BC. I am using the word may because there are some cases D can be midpoint.
Oh.
But in general, D may not be midpoint of BC. That means AD may not be a median. Here, AD is angle bisector of A.
Yes.
Similarly, BE also angle bisector. BE is angle bisector of B. Got it?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
E may not be the midpoint of ACC. Now, CF. CF is angle bisector of C, right?
Yes.
This is point of concurrent of three angle bisectors. S is used to denote that point. This is S, right? Here we can understand one thing, that is, if we find the distance of AS
Yes.
and BS and CS, all the three distances are same.
Yes, sir.
Point of concurrency of angle bisectors, is equidistant from three vertices, and centroid needs not be equidistant from the three vertices. But point of concurrence of three angle bisectors is equidistant from three vertices, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Since AS is equal to BS is equal to CS, since AS is equal to BS is equal to CS, if we draw a circle with center S, and radius is either AS or BS or CS, all are equal. AS, BS, CS are equal. So with center S and the radius as AS or BS or CS, that circle goes like this. That circle covers all the three vertices. That's why this point is called circumcenter. Right?
Yes,
This is called circumcenter. Right. See, if we want to construct a circumcircle, first we need to find its circumcenter. Center, circumcenter, and radius is the distance from that circumcenter to any of the three vertices. If you draw a circle, that circle touches, that circle passes, okay, that circle passes through three vertices. That's why that circle is called circumcenter, circumcircle.
yes.
Name of
Yes.
the circle is circumcircle. Do understand that. Please note that circumcenter and centroid needs not be same. For example, as we know, AG, BG, CG are not same.
Yes.
Because it is not circumcenter, it is centroid. If we
Yes.
try to draw a circle like this, for example, take G is center and AG is radius, that circle goes like this. Clearly, this is not circumcircle, because the circle, okay, is not covering B and C. It covers only one vertex or two vertex. It doesn't cover all the three vertices. That's why it is not circumcircle. Please tell me now which part, which center is used to draw circumcircle, centroid or circumcircle? Sorry, circumcenter or centroid? Which is the center of the circumcircle? S or G?
Then
S or G? S or G is the circumcenter.
yes, sir.
Yes. G cannot be circumcenter in general. G cannot be circumcircle in general. Okay.
Yes.
But, and there is a formula to find G. Do you remember? G can be obtained by using this formula. X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3. Do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
And Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3. This is the formula to find G, where X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3 are the vertices of three, are coordinates of three vertices, right?
Yes.
Now, surprisingly, in one case, this is a triangle. If we find its centroid, it is its centroid. Right? If we find
Yes.
its circumcenter, same is circumcenter.
Yes.
Circumcenter and centroid, of course, are the center and in center and the center of 9-point circle. 9-point circle is also there. Very interesting concept. See here,
Yes.
it is it happens sometimes in some cases.
Yes.
That is, centroid and circumcenter are the center. All centers are same. For example, if we assume this is centroid, if we try to a circle with the center, this and radius of radius is its distance from any of the three vertices.
Yes.
Even if we use centroid, that circle touches all the three vertices.
Yes.
Because centroid and circumcenter same.
Yes.
When it happens only when this triangle is equilateral triangle. This triangle is equilateral triangle.
Yes.
Only in case of equilateral triangle, circumcenter and centroid both are same. Here we can understand centroid. Actually, the word centroid is given here, right?
Yes.
Circumcircle. In general, there is no connection with centroid and circumcircle. Centroid, yeah, we observed, we did an experiment here in the first diagram.
Yes.
There is no link, there is no relation between centroid and circumcircle. If you try to draw a circle, it cannot be a circumcircle in general. But here, see, centroid is associated to circumcircle or circumcenter is associated to circumcircle. Which center is associated to circumcircle? In general,
Circumcenter.
yes.
Circumcircle.
Center is only the circumcenter is associated to circumcircle, not centroid, but not centroid. But here, the centroid and both are given in a sum, in a single question, single problem, in same problem.
Yes, sir.
Centroid and circumcircle. But we know centroid is not associated to the circumcircle. But the bottom line of this problem is the triangle is equilateral triangle. Have you got the correct point?
Yes, sir.
Which kind of triangle is this?
Equilateral triangle.
Have you got the correct point now?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, centroid is associated to circumcircle? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Because this is which kind
equilateral
of
triangle?
Since it is equilateral triangle, centroid is associated to circumcircle.
Yes.
In equilateral triangle, centroid and circumcenter both are same.
Yes, sir.
Centering if you use correct words, correct mathematical words, centroid and circumcenter coincides. In general language means same, but in mathematical language coincide. That means centroid is on circumcenter or circumcenter is on centroid. Got the point now?
Yeah.
See, centroid of an equilateral triangle. See, it is angle bisector. As we know, in the second diagram, AD is called angle bisector. In the first diagram, AD is called median. So since centroid and circumcenter both are same in one particular case, and so median and angle bisector.
Yes, sir.
Median and angle bisector is also same.
Yes, sir.
The properties of median are same to the properties of angle bisector because it is equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
And you told one point regarding centroid. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1.
Yes, sir.
Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Let us come to the
Yes.
question. If we come to the question, this is an equilateral triangle. Centroid of an equilateral triangle is 1, 1. See the point 1, 1 is centroid of an equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
That means we can understand that it is centroid as well as circumcenter.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we draw a circle with centroid, and radius is the distance from that centroid to any of the three vertices. Any of the
Yes,
three
sir.
vertices. Any of the three vertices. A, B, C. That
Yes.
is center, right? If you
Yes,
draw
sir.
a circle with centroid, and the radius is distance of that center from any of the three vertices, it is circumcircle, right?
Yes, sir.
But we know center is 1, 1, so the equation of that circle is x minus 1 whole square plus. Is there any reason if I try to write in the bottom, the pen doesn't work properly? There is some glitch.
Oh, might be the pen issue, sir. Even I'm facing the same with my iPad.
Yeah. Even I changed my tab. Tab means stylus. This I changed, but no difference. I thought it is the problem with this device. That's why I bought new device, but the problem is same. X-Men, maybe it's common, or there may be some dust. I think
Issue.
dust or
Yes.
something. Okay. I am planning to get digital board. I strongly decided to develop YouTube channel. That's why
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to get even digital board also. Have you ever seen any YouTube videos teaching mathematics with the digital boards? Live videos or recorded videos? You know, Neha Agarwal, you can watch at your free time. Neha Agarwal, mathematically inclined. That ma'am is supposed to be the topmost Indian mathematics YouTuber. He is IITian from Delhi.
Oh.
Yeah, he entertains the audience very well. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Every math student likes to listen to her. Very entertaining and very engaging, very engaging. Because she is IITian, she got that much of knowledge.
Yes,
She's
sir.
well popular with the Telugu students, especially Telugu students are fans to that ma'am. Even Big Boss. Oh, I forgot his live stream. Okay, okay.
Yes.
X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal. Yeah, I planned to get digital board by seeing that videos.
Yes.
X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to something radius. See,
Yes.
we need radius.
Yes.
It's a problem if we talk negatively about any person or anything in live stream. Otherwise, it's no problem.
Yes.
Radius r square, right?
Yes.
Now we need this value, right?
Yes.
That value is the distance from 1, 1 to A, right? Or 1, 1 to
Yes.
B, or 1, 1 to C. That is using the concept centroid divides median ratio 2:1.
Yes.
Of course, that point is not necessary here. That point is used in another problem. See,
Yes.
we need the radius. Radius means from centroid G to A, G to A, right? Or G to B, or
Yes.
G to C.
Yes.
See, 1, 1 is centroid. Next, negative 1, 2, negative 1, 2. One of its
Vertices.
is negative 1, 2.
Yes.
Right. And the distance from A to G is R.
Yes.
Since G is centroid as well as circumcenter, distance from S to A is called its radius. Distance
Yes,
from
sir.
S to B is radius. Distance from S to C is radius. So
Yes, sir.
that's why it is said, and one of its vertices, that vertex can be A or can be B, can be C. There will be no difference in the equation of the circle. But it,
Yes, sir.
now find the distance between the points 1, 1 and minus 1, 2. What is its
Yes, sir.
distance? The square root of 1 minus of minus 1. X2 minus x1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square. 1 minus of minus 1. Tell 1 minus of minus 1. X2 minus
So
x1.
your voice is breaking. 1 second.
Really? Okay, okay.
1 second. So can you hear me?
Yeah, sure. Clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. There
Yeah,
is,
yeah, I got it.
that means some technical issues. That means whenever the signals are
Now I can hear you, sir. Yeah.
clearly.
Yes, sir. Before I didn't hear you for some reason.
Okay,
Now
okay.
I changed.
Right. See, find the distance from between the 2 points 1 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 1.
1 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 1.
X2 minus x1
Root of 1 minus 1 plus 1 whole square.
very good.
Minus.
The square root of 1 plus 1 whole square, that means 2 square 4.
Yes, sir.
Plus
4 plus 1. That's root 5, sir.
1 comma 2 only. Yeah, yeah. Very good, very good. 5 only, root 5. So r square means root 5 whole square.
5, sir. R square equals
Yeah.
5.
Now we can expand this. When we expand this, x minus 1 whole square means x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 5. X square plus y square
X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 minus 5 equals 0.
it is x plus x. Yeah, minus 2y. Yeah, 1 plus 1 minus 5. What is 1 plus 1 minus 5?
2
1
minus 5, that's minus 3, sir.
minus 3 is equal to 0. Got it? Option?
So option 1, sir.
Very good. See, all except 4, all the 3 options look like seems to be
Yes.
same, but there is a slight difference between the options.
Science. Yes.
So clearly option 1 is correct. Got it? Yeah, this much of explanation is needed
Yes.
to explain this question perfectly.
Yes. So 1 second. I'll be back.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. For the circle ax square plus y square plus bx plus dy plus 2 is equal to 0. Center is 1 comma 2, then 2b plus 3d is equal to how much? Do you remember the first, the main condition for an equation to be called the equation of a circle? Equation of a
There should be.
circle has a special property, that is coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square must be same. In the previous example, we got the equation of a circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. Very clearly, x square coefficient is same as y square coefficient. See, x square coefficient is 1 and y square coefficient is also 1. Okay, that's the main condition for an equation to be called a circle equation. Right? Here x square coefficient is small a. and y square coefficient is 1. Y square coefficient is 1. Okay. To be called, to become a circle equation, what is the main condition? X square coefficient must be equal to y square coefficient.
Yeah.
So what is the result of using that condition?
So we can just find the centers. I mean,
Yes, we
the
can.
centers are negative b and negative d, no, sir.
Not directly. You can do it.
Oh.
First of all, make that equation in standard form. Standard form means having x square coefficient and y square coefficient 1.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Before that,
do we have to divide everything by a?
yeah. Before that, we need to find the value of a. Using the concept x square coefficient and y square coefficient must be same. What is x square coefficient here?
A, sir.
What is y square coefficient?
1.
1. For circles, x square coefficient is exactly equal to y square coefficient.
Oh, then a equals 1, sir.
Very good. A is equal to 1. Then we need not divide.
Yes, sir.
So clearly A is equal to 1. Then we can put 1 in the place of A. We can plug in A is equal to 1 in that equation. Then we will get x square plus y square plus bx plus dy plus 2 is equal to 0, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
as you said, you can find its center and radius. You know how to find center and radius? Center C is equal to
Negative b comma negative d.
negative b by 2, half of x coefficient. See in the previous example, what is its center? Clearly, center is 1, 1.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember its center is 1, 1?
Yes.
The center 1, 1 can be obtained by using this equation also. What is x coefficient? Negative 2, right?
Yes.
So half of x coefficient is negative 1 and its opposite sign is 1.
Yes, sir.
So to get center, we need to get the half of xy coefficients and its opposite signs.
Yes.
Minus 2x is there. So x coordinate of center is 1. Minus
Yes.
2y is there. Y coordinate of center is 1, right? Now tell what is its center? Minus b by 2.
Minus d by 2.
Very good. Minus b by 2, comma minus d by 2. Center is minus g minus f. See, minus b by 2, comma minus d by 2.
So b is negative 2 and d is
very good.
negative 6.
Continue. Go ahead. Very good. B is negative 2. Very good.
Negative.
And D is?
And d is negative 4.
Very good. Yeah.
3 times
Continue.
negative 2.
Continue.
So negative 6. Wait. Negative. What? Negative and negative.
What is asked actually? 2b.
So is it negative 18, sir? Wait. Yeah, 18. Negative 18, sir.
See 2b. 2b means?
2 times b negative. Oh, sorry. Yes, sir. Negative
Plus.
4, negative 12. Negative. Wait. Negative 16, sir.
Yes, negative 16. 2 times negative b plus 3 times negative 4. Right.
So negative 16, yeah.
Yeah, negative 16. Can you do this? The radius of circle passing through 6, 2 and the equations 2 normals for the circles. Yeah, see, having same property. See, it is a circle. Do you know what is a secant line? Do you know about secant line?
Straight line, yes, sir.
Yes, straight line, secant line. Secant line means line touches.
Oh, secant line, yes, sir.
Secant line, secant
That
line.
touches the line, I mean, circle twice.
Yes, meet the circles in 2 points.
Yes, twice.
That's why it is called secant line, right?
Yes.
Surprisingly, the secant line is called chord. This is
Chord,
chord,
yes.
that is secant line. Now tell me what is the difference between chord and secant line?
The chord touches the 2 points and then it stops,
That
but
means
for the secant line, it intersects the chord.
The chord has endpoints.
Yes, sir.
Endpoints of that chord are on circle.
Yes, sir.
Endpoints of that chord are on circle.
Yes.
But secant lines don't have endpoints.
Yes, sir.
Secant lines don't have endpoints, right? In the same way, if you take a circle, see, secant line touches, secant line meets circle at 2 points, right?
Yes.
On other hand, if a line meets a circle at only 1 point, that line is called tangent. This is called tangent because it meets the circle at only 1 point.
Yes.
Secant line meets the circle at 2 points. Tangent touches the circle at 1 point. That means there is only one common point between tangent and circle. There are 2 common points between tangent and secant line. Got it?
Yes.
If we draw a line perpendicular to the tangent at the same point, this is a line drawn perpendicular to the tangent. This is perpendicular to the tangent at the same point. This is the perpendicular line to the tangent. This is called normal.
Yes.
This is called normal. This is called normal, right? And the main important point is, if like secant line and chord, the relation between secant line and chord is normal and diameter.
Yes.
Diameter has endpoints on its circle, but normal has no endpoints. It goes forever, right?
Yes.
So all the properties of diameter are applicable to the properties of normal. Properties of diameter are applicable to the normal also. In the first sum, we find the center of a circle by solving 2 diameters. By solving 2 diameters, we found the center of the circle. The center of the circle was found by solving those 2 diameters, because point of intersection of diameters is center. Here also 2 normals are given.
Yes.
As we discussed, the normals and centroid have common property. That common property is normal passes to center, diameter passes to center. Normal and diameter passes through center. So this is one normal, this is another normal.
Yes.
So these 2 normals meet at center only.
Yes.
Like diameters meet at the center. The same way normals also meet at center. Yes. Normal and diameter are differ only in case of that is length, right?
Yes.
See, these are 2 normals. These are 2 normals. By solving these 2 equations, we can find the center of the required circle. This is the required circle. Try to find the center of the circle by solving those 2 normals.
By solving the equations.
Yeah. Try to solve.
So y equals -2, sir.
-2, right?
Minus. So x equals 8.
8.
8, -2.
Yes, correct only. We can cross check it. or we can verify it whether
Yes,
it's correct
sir.
or wrong by substituting. I plug in this value in the
Yes, sir.
any
8
of the
minus
equations.
2 is 6.
8
And
comma minus 2 satisfies both the equations.
yes, sir. It does.
Right. And how to find its radius? It passes through 0.6 comma 2. Circle
Yes.
passes through the 0.6 comma 2.
Yes.
So
Sir,
what's the
distance, sir?
yes distance between these 2 points is the radius r. Find its distance.
6 minus 8 whole square.
Very good. X minus 8
Plus
minus 4 minus 2 whole square 4.
4 plus 16. Root 20.
Yeah, 4
Root 2. 2 or root 5.
yeah, of course,
2 root 5.
but it's not necessary. The calculation not necessary because
Sir, 16, no, sir.
sorry 16. Of course, it's value 2 root 5, but simplifying this is not necessary because
Yes.
the formula is x minus 1 whole square, x minus 8 whole square. Okay. What is asked here? Only radius is asked.
Yes, sir.
Only radius is asked. Yeah, here you are right. We need to simplify it. But if we want to find its equation, equation of the circle, we don't need
Yes.
root 4 times root 5. That is 2 root 5. Got it? Option.
Option 2, sir.
Very good. Got it clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, getting the in-depth knowledge of circles.
Yes, sir.
Origin is the center of this circle.
Oh,
Yeah,
we did this question, no, sir.
Yeah, we did this question, but we were in rush to solve that question at that time in yesterday's class only.
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday.
Last.
Are you sure?
Yesterday was a holiday, no, sir.
Day before yesterday we did this.
Yes.
Yes. See, it is a triangle. It is clearly given. It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means centroid, circumcenter both are same. As we know, centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1.
Yes.
Length of median. Median is of length 3a. So length of median is given as 3a. Distance from this to this is 3a.
Yes.
But we know centroid, that is circumcenter, divides median in the ratio 2:1.
Yes, sir.
Divide this 3a length in 2:1 ratio. That means it is 2a, it is 1a. 2a plus 1a is 3a. 2a plus 1a is 3a. And this point divides 3a in the ratio 2:1. That's why it is radius r. Origin is center. Origin means 0, 0. Now, what is its center? Center is 0, 0. Radius is r. R means 2a.
R. Yes, sir.
Equation of the circle is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2a whole square.
Equal to 2a whole square.
X minus 0 whole square is x square plus y square is equal to 4a square.
Yes, sir.
As we know, the equation of a circle with center h comma k is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, right?
Yes.
If whenever the center is 0, 0.
Yes.
If the center is 0, 0, then equation of the circle is X minus 0 whole square, that means x square only simply. And y minus 0 whole square, y square is equal to r square.
Yes.
X square plus y square is equal to r square.
Yes.
Equation of circle, whenever its center is 0, 0. We can use this formula directly. This formula is used only when the center is 0, 0.
Center is 0,
Right. The diameters of a circle are along. Same concept. Then the equation of the circle, which is also passes through 5, 7. Did we complete this
Yes.
in the previous class? Did we do this sum in the previous class?
Yes, sir, we did it, sir. We solved it.
Yeah, we solved it, right? Yes, now it is a very interesting point in this question. Question number 10 has very interesting point. That point is, in the high school level, we have a special theorem regarding circles. Take any circle. This is a chord. You know what is chord?
Yes.
This is center, C. This is any point on the circle.
Yes, sir.
This chord divides the circle in two parts. One part is major segment and minor segment. The point A is a point on major segment, right? This is called minor segment.
Yes.
That is called major segment. A is any point on major segment of not A.
Yes.
P.
Yes.
AB is chord. AB is chord. P is any point on major segment.
Yes.
If we connect P and B, and note down the angle at P, that is angle APB, right? And
Yes.
if we connect center to the ends of chord, and there is a theorem in high school level geometry, that is angle C, that means angle ACB. Angle ACB is 2 times, that means double of angle APB.
Yes.
Angle ACB is double of angle APB.
Yes.
That means angle APB is half of angle ACB.
Yes.
This angle is half of the angle made by the same chord at center.
Yes, sir.
The angle made at major segment, is half of the angle made at center by the same chord. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
If we try to increase that angle, it is another chord. You can understand one thing. Here, in the second diagram, P is greater than that of in the first diagram. Got it? Because the distance between chord and center is less in the second diagram.
Yes.
Got the point? It seems
Yes.
to be. It's very clear that now angle P is greater than angle P in the first diagram.
Yes.
If we decrease the distance between that chord and center, the angle becomes greater.
Yes.
Right. In this case also, angle APB is half of angle ACB.
Angles. Yes. Sir.
Angle APB is half of angle ACB, right? And finally, we conclude this discussion. What happens if angle APB is 90 degrees?
Right angle triangles.
Yes, that means right angle. Angle APB is right angle. This is right angle. Got it? This
Yes.
right angle 90 degrees. 90 degrees is half of what?
Yes.
APB is half of angle ACB.
Yes.
That is, it is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is half of something. What is that something?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. So this must be 180 degrees.
Yes.
Being 180 degrees means being collinear.
Yes.
180 degrees is possible only when that line is a straight line.
Yes.
See, here ACB are not in a line. The points ACB are not in a line. Here also the points ACB are not in a line. Not in a line.
Yes.
See here in the previous two diagrams, AB is not passing through its center.
Yes, sir.
In the first diagram and as well as in the second diagram, the chord AB is not passing through its center.
Yes.
The chord AB is at a distance, at certain distance from the center. But here in this case, the chord
It's
AB
the diameter, sir.
yes, it is the diameter, right? That's why it is very clear that if the angle is 90 degrees, then it is a diameter, then consequently it is a semicircle.
Yes, sir.
It is a semicircle. That means if we see any right angle triangle, if we see any right angle triangle, and there is a circle circumscribing it, and it is to be understood that the diameter as well as hypotenuse both are same.
Yes.
In the context of circle, it is diameter. In the context of triangle, it is hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now let
Yes.
us use this concept in this question. In this question, center and radius of the circle with segment of the line x plus y equal to 1 cut off the coordinate axis as diameter. That means it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Right, the given equation is x plus y equal to 1, which can be expressed as x by 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1, right?
Yes.
Or simply you can do one thing. This is the line. To know this point of that line meets the x-axis and y-axis at AB. Let us suppose this point is A and this point is B.
Yes.
We discussed it so many times that the y-coordinate of any point on x-axis is 0. The y-coordinate of any point on x-axis is 0. Do you remember it? That means coordinates of this point are 0, 0. Coordinates of this point are 1, 1. Sorry, 1, 0. Coordinates of this point are 2, 0. So it is very clear that all the points on the x-axis have y-coordinate 0.
Yes.
So y-coordinate of A also 0.
Yes.
To get the coordinates of x-coordinate of A, we need to put y is equal to 0. What happens when we put y is equal to 0 in the given equation? We can get the x-coordinate of A.
Yes.
What happens when we put y is equal to 0 in this equation?
X equals 1.
Very good. So coordinates of A are 1, 0.
Oh, coordinates of B are 0, 1.
Very good. And it is said the center and radius of the circle with segment of the line x plus y is equal to 1 cut off by the coordinate axis as diameter. It is given that AB is diameter.
Yes.
But you know, the angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degrees. This is the triangle. Clearly, it is a right angle triangle. In the previous discussion, we understood that the circumcircle, right, AB is here. AB is hypotenuse. If we construct a circle circumscribing the given three vertices, that is, see, it is the circle. For the circle, clearly, it is semicircle. Since this angle is 90 degrees, in the previous discussion, we understood that if the angle is 90 degrees, it must be a diameter.
Yes.
AB must be a diameter. Since this angle is P, In that case, it is P, now it is O.
Yes.
It is 9 degrees, so it must be a diameter. So AB is diameter. What is asked? Its center is asked. Center is
Yes.
exactly at the midpoint of diameter.
Yeah, diameter.
Yeah,
Yes.
what is its midpoint?
1/2, comma
Half.
half. Sir.
Right. And the radius is also asked. The radius is half of the length of the diameter. First, find the length
Yes.
of diameter and find its half. What is the distance between 1, 0 and 0, 1?
Oh, root of 2, sir.
1
Root
plus
2.
1, root 2, right. Half of root 2. See, half of root 2. That means root 2 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Multiply in numerator and denominator by root 2. Root 2 times
2 by root 2.
2 by 2 root 2.
Root 2 root.
Should we cancel?
1 by root.
So 1 by root 2 is radius and root 2 is sorry.
Sir?
1 by root 2 is radius and center is
Half, comma half. So
very
is it
good.
option 1?
Right, very good. Half, comma half. Good. So option which option is correct?
Option 1. Sir.
Very good. Option 1. We did this sum. We tried to do this. We did this sum in the previous
We
class.
did this, sir. Yes, sir, we did it.
Right. Yeah. Did we do these sums?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm giving a C 14 question is very easy question.
Yes, sir.
You can answer just by looking at this
By
question.
looking at it. The circle is inscribed in a square of the side 10. Okay.
The circle is inscribed in a
And the
square.
radius of the circle. So is it option 4, 5?
Very good. That's good. Very good. That kind of mass mindset is required. Is useful.
Yes.
You can solve this. You can try this sum. Try 21st sum.
Third of length 24 units is at a distance of 5 units from the center.
It is a circle.
A chord of length 25 units is at a distance of 5 units from.
This is a chord. Length of this chord is 24. Right?
Yes.
And at a distance of 5 units from the center. It is center. This distance is 5 units. Right?
Yes, sir.
Since it is 24,
Sir, Pythagorean theorem can help us.
Yes, very good. That's correct. Since the total length is 24, half of it is 12 only, right?
So is the answer 13?
Very good. 13 correct only. And there is a formula for it also. It is radius r. It is distance d. Okay. It is the length of what is the half by using Pythagoras theorem? 2 root r square minus d square. Because r square minus d square gives half of the chord value, right? See, it is 13 as you said. What's the value of root of 13 square minus 5 square?
The root 169. Sorry.
1 minus 25.
Yes.
Is equal to 144. 12. Okay, 12 is half of length of chord.
Yes.
Got it? And double of it is length of chord. So the formula to find the length of chord formula is 2 times root of r square minus d square. 2 root r square minus d square is formula to find the length of chord, right?
Yes.
Here length of chord is given. That means 2 root of r square minus d square is given. Yes, 24. That means 2 goes 12 times 24. And d is also given. R square minus d is given as 5. 25 is equal to 12. Squaring on both sides. R square minus 25 is equal to 144. Of course, you did correctly, easily in the beginning, but I am explaining to solve the same sum by using formula.
Yeah.
R square is
Yes.
equal to 144 plus 25. That is 169. R is equal to root 169. That is 30. Got it? Just do it. Substitute. I will explain clearly what is the power of a point in the next class. But just for now, in this part, substitute 1, 1, 1, and equate it to 3 to get the value of k.
1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3 plus k equals 3. 2 minus 4 plus 3. So k equals 2.
Yeah, very good, Sai Kumar. Let us start our class immediately. Yeah, k is equal.
2, sir.
Very good. So we'll discuss clearly what is power. What is the power of a point in
Yes.
next class? Okay.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Thank you, Tanika.
Thank
Good
you, sir.
night. Right.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.